BMS Academy में आपका स्वागत है।
In this class, we use a few comments we often use for our immediate references or purposes. These comments are generally used when we prepare the drawings. This is measure, punch, LT scale, explode, scale, edit. A few comments which we learn about how to use them in our drawings. Of course, some of them already have explained. I will once again brush up those things. Okay, now I will open AutoCAD drawing. Now this is a blank sheet, no layers, there is only 2 layers. And first we learn about command purge or measure. We learn about not purge, command measure. So there is this, see, this is a menu icon. This gives some of the tool links or shortcuts for measure the distance between 2 points. To an AutoCAD, see, it comes somewhere here. You have to click it to add measure command. See, measuring tools. This is what this is. Come here and click it, so it has come on this screen. Now let us say we have a line here. Okay. Now we want to, while doing the drawing, we want to measure the length. We don't want to dimension, but we want to measure the length. How much length it is. So what we have to do is, you click on the distance. See here, it gives the details how to measure and all that. Click on this and click on one end and click on other end. It gives you the dimensions. You can see here. What are the distance 467. Enter an option, distance, radius, angle, exit. Because we have already a linear length measuring. It also gives 461. Its vertical coordinate and its horizontal coordinates. Okay, this is how we can use the measure command. I'll do once again a series of lines. Let us see. See, we use the measure command for all these things. This as usual measure, and then we use this, just like this. Similarly, it gives now this is a closed figure. See, the points are connected. So a closed figure, it is a plain figure, we can always find the area of the closed figure. So by the same measuring tool, area is also a measurement. What we have to do here is this is called measuring the area. It gives the detail. Click here. I will not explain you add, subtract and the things. I will explain you how to measure the area. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, and you get the area. And also you get the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all these things. Area and perimeter we got. Okay. We'll erase this. I will once again show you. I will just show you repeatedly so that you can understand. Any odd figures, any closed, it should be a closed figure to measure the area. Area I will see. Select this, select this, select this, select this, select this. You get the area. Okay. Of course, volume also you can find, but this is not a 3D drawing, so you cannot find the volume. Volume becomes 0. And now, how to measure the angle? similar way, and I will draw a line. I will draw a horizontal line also. I want to measure the angle between these two lines. For this, there is a command called angle here. Click on this. First click, second click, you get angle 39 degrees. Okay? Then exit. You can exit. So once again, I will join this and I will show you how to measure the angle of this triangle. This is the angle. Click, show 39 degree, and once again, click, you get 43 degree. Click on this, you get 98 degree. The commands you can type here on the menu also, on the command line. See, it's measure geometry, measure the distance between 2 points. So if you click here, automatically you can get the measurement. Here is this once again. This is how we learned about it. Similarly, we will suppose it is a circle. Same thing we have to use here. Is here the radius. Click here, and click here. You get the radius, diameter, and all these things you get here into the option. Suppose you want to area, you click here, specify the nearest point, next point. This is area of this triangle you get. But area of the entire figure, what you have to do is area, you have to select the entire picture, entire object by window. We have to select the object. Because it's a closed figure, it gives the area. Object you select, you get the area is given, circumference is also given. Okay? Distance option will not be applicable because it is not there. And similarly, we can, once again I will do it for your reference. Suppose this is any circle, area, type, or you select here, attach object, you take, select the object, this is the object, select this, you get the area. Okay? And also we can measure the length of an arc also. So this is an arc. So it's here, radius, possibly this what is this is the area, this is volume. So length of an arc is measure the length. So we take from here, so here it comes it gives distance 630 at 60 degree angle, and 620 it measures the chord length. So length, measuring the length, we have to see first point, it's an object, let us see, or we will say circle, arc or circle. So we have to click here, select this. So you got the radius, diameter, enter the option, you want area or distance, one point, another point. Okay, distance is 630. To measure the length, we can directly calculate the length. So measurement of select the arc or a circle. Diameter, enter the option, distance, area. Area you want to see it should be a closed figure. So what you have to do is you have to close it. Suppose this is the thing. If you want area, it gives the inside area, but to measure the area of the part of the sector, the sector, I will tell you how to do it. To measure the area, what we have to do, we have to make it as a single object. So for that, I will explain you next when I explain the command pedit. I will explain you when the command pedit is selected. Okay? Because this two separate, we have to add together or we make it a single object, then we will be able to measure it. Similarly, suppose we use a polynomial. So here what we have to do, either you can select or object you can select directly, perhaps. See, area. This is complete an object and it is selected. Similarly, suppose there is a circle, let us say. If you draw a circle from polynomial, an arc from a polynomial, circle or an arc, this, and you say arc, this, and this. Then you can measure the area of this figure, since it is a polynomial. Object, so you got the entire area. Okay, now I will explain you pedit. It is not in order, but first I will explain you because we have to measure the sector area. Pedit command. Suppose we draw different lines like this. We want to make it a polyline or a polynomial. This figure we want to make it a polynomial. What we have to do is we have to type a command pedit. Okay, pedit. Select the polyline 1. Want to close? Yes, you say. Join, because we have to join these things. 1, 2, 3, 4. This already we have joined, doesn't matter. Then join. Can you enter once again, double click, and this figure is polynomial. See, it has become one object. Now, if you want to measure the area, click. When this becomes an object, so we can say we got the area on polymeter. Okay. Similarly, the pedit we can convert to a polyline. The figure can be an object, can be converted to number. Suppose I want to measure the sector area, let us say. Okay, this is sector. We want to measure this inside area. So first we will convert into pedit command. Select 1, join, select this. See, this becomes a complete one object. So what we want to know is we have to measure this area of the sector. Type area, select object. See, we got the area. This entire enclosed area we get it. Okay. So this is how we can use pedit command to join all the lines and make it a object. So I will once again make a an object, how to convert an object out here. Suppose this is an ellipse, like this, and suppose there is another line like this, let us say circle. Suppose we trim command, and this is one object and this is another object. A sector, it is not closed one, we want to convert it to a single object. What we have to do is, once again you can use edit command, select one, multiple, yes, close, home, join, okay. Now possibly you will be able to measure the area. So you got the area complete. These two are joined by the edit command. See, it is not joined, even then it becomes a closed figure, so you can measure the inside area. Now let us see whether we can join them. So this is how we can do the since it is a closed area, we can measure the area. This is how we can do it. Need not be converted to edit because each one is a polyline, so there is no necessary to convert it, and we can measure the area. So there are 2-3 lines like this. Suppose I select another measurement window, and then this is an arc. Let us see. We do some exercise. We'll connect it here. So this is the case. Then what we have to do, here we have to convert this into p-edit line, join together. One, yes, join J, 2, 3, 4. Now we can measure the area of the entire thing. This is an object. We got the area. So this is how we can use the measure command. Now we have studied about the distance, angle, area, radius to measure, and now we will study about p-edit also we have studied. Now we have to search purge, LT scale, explode, and scale. So p-edit command we have studied. Now we have to learn about purge. So purge is, you can type it normally like this. It will display your purge screen. Here it shows various objects and dimensions, line types, layers, etc. and various properties of the object also. Objects as well as properties. The block is an object. This is the property of the block. Dimension style is property of the line and property of the curve, etc. All these will be projected. Here you see view item, you can purge. These things all can be purged. Purge means remove unwanted things. Suppose you have created a layer x1, let us say, and it is not in use, then it is a waste of space and it occupies more memory. So, and it is also confusing. So what we have to do, we have to remove it. But removal will be, you have to check every time. But manually if you want to remove, you have to check each one which will go up and all that. For that, what we do is we use this purge command where drawing itself will find out which layer is not in use and remove it. Similarly, which block is not in use, it removes. Okay, like that. Line types or material which are not in use can be removed. So for this, what I have to do, create some layer. I will create some layer. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here I will make this layer some color. This layer another color. This layer another color. This layer some color. And this layer some other color. So I have created so many layers in this drawing. So there are so many layers. Suppose I use only one layer, let us say this is light, and to this line assign a property of layer 1. So it has become. Now other two layers, what we have, layer 2, 3, 4, they are not being used at all, but it is there on the drawing. So if you want to remove that, you have to type purge command, and you here you can see layers. Click here, select the layer and purge. So then it goes, you just see the layers have been removed. There is one important point what I have to mention on purge is, here new item you cannot purge. Suppose I click here, there are certain items which you cannot purge. Paper space you cannot purge, and dynamic detail, view style you cannot purge. These are part of the drawing property. ISO 25 style you cannot purge, and layers, of course these layers you cannot purge, and in this here layer 1 is not purged because you have drawn a layer, a line on layer 1, so that it cannot be purged. Similarly, line types, whatever is by blocks and other things which are not in use, which are in use, they cannot be purged. And also some special properties such as layer 0 and deep point, which even though they are not in use, you cannot remove them from the drawing. Similarly, paper space, even though you are not using it, you cannot remove from the drawing. Similarly, some of the properties which you are not using, even then you cannot remove. This, for example, continuous line you cannot remove, layers you cannot remove, blocks you cannot remove. M-line you cannot remove, style, multi-readers you cannot remove, some of them you cannot remove. You click here, it will show you what are the things you cannot remove. You click here, what are the things you can remove. Blocks, prepared blocks can be removed, and I will say this layer, suppose I delete, because line is drawn in this layer, I cannot purge it. So I delete it, let us see whether we can purge or not. That layer is not in use, and possibly we will be able to purge. Okay, close. See, that layer has been removed, one is removed. But these two layers cannot be removed. Similarly, some properties cannot be removed from the drawing. Okay. Now I will show you how blocks not in use can be removed. I will prepare one block. This is a block. I have to prepare a edit block to scan the screen. I have to say B1. Select the block. Then select this block. Then click it. I will make another block. I will remove this block first. I will create a rectangle. This is another block. I will call it as R1. To select the object. Pick up a point. Click it. Okay. And this is another block. See, I will remove this block. Now both blocks are being removed. This time I will insert one block. Say R1 will insert. This block is inserted. Now we will see what happens when you use block command. Because I know block, I want to purge the block. Purge. No items to purge. I see. Confirm each of the purge item. So I have to save the drawing thing. Okay. Two blocks are there. Oh, triangle is not there. Let's see. We'll get only one block. Create one more block. Let me see whether the block is there. Okay, I will create one more block now. Pick up a point. We'll say T1. Okay. And save this drawing. Now here is this. Let us see what happens when we try to insert it. Insert. There are how many blocks are there? 2 blocks are there. Now both the blocks are not in use. I will use one block. I will bring it on the drawing. This block, let me see. I will bring it on the drawing. Now we will see purge command. What happens? See, this block can be removed because it is not on the screen. If I purge this, if I click on this, purge this block is removed. Okay. See, you see whether inside, whether you have a block, there is only one block. Okay. Suppose I remove this block also. This is also not in use. Now, purge command I will use. Is there any one block? This is the block. Purge. Close. So what happens? Let us see whether there is a block is there or not. So there is no block, that is removed. So whatever is in use will not be removed. Whatever is not in use will be removed from the drawing. Now, see here, purge nested item means whatever is layer in layer, all those things. Confirm each item to be purged. You want to click this if you want to confirm anything. And similarly, nested layer you can purge. And if you click all these things and if you select this all, and purge all means it purges everything. Purge, do you want to purge definition, style, annotating? You can purge all items, you can click and you can close. So whatever is not in use, all of them have been purged. Because I told you these things cannot be purged. Layers. Okay, but all of them have been purged. That is removed from the drawing, which is not in use. Okay, this is how we can use the purge command. That is, purge means all, purge all means layers, blocks, or any other properties, materials, or anything else, dimensions, if not dimension, if not drawn, all those things. That is dimension styles, if not drawn on the drawing, all those things will be removed from the drawing. This is the meaning of purge all. Now, we have learned about purge command, measure command, p-edit. Now, explode, LT-scale and scale. Explode, LT-scale and scale. We will know about these things. Now suppose LT-scale, I have to draw a few layers for this. 1, 2, let us see. Layer, I will make this a dotted, I will load this continuous layer, I will change it to dotted line. See, this one. Okay, and I convert it to this. Similarly, this layer, I load another layer, dot, and this I will make it dotted. Okay, and if you want, we can make one more node. Say this is where I'm batting. Okay. Now, suppose we draw a line 0. This is 0 layer. I can convert it into layer 1. So layer 1 is this layer. I will give a color also to be better. Layer 1 will be red. Layer 2 I will be green. Layer 3 I will be this color. Okay. See, in this layer, if you zoom it, you know the distance between each dot and dash. From here to here, it shows 6.2. Okay. Suppose this line is down to actual scale, say about 2 meter. Actual line length is 2 meter. But the scale is 1:10, let us say. That means it has to reduce to, say 1:100, it will be better. 2000 becomes 20 millimeter. 2000 becomes 20 millimeter. Then what about the sizes here, between the pitch between these two lines? I measured it as something like 6. 5 is just 6, because the distance is 6. The 6 also proportionately will reduce to 6 by 100, that is 0.06. So line, the distance between the dot, from any of the line, dash line to another dash line is about 6 mm, and on the actual printing, on the prints, it is only 0.06 because we have reduced the scale and distance also have come down under to 0.6. But 0.6 is very small, you cannot see whether it is a broken line or a dash dot line or whatever it may be. So, we have to distinguish it. So what we are going to do is we are increase the size, by the LT scale size by 100. Okay, it is 6 and we increase it to 100. So 6 becomes LT scale 100. If you line scale, if you make it 100, then actual drawing the distance will be 100, 600. But when you draw it, the distance will be just 6 mm on the actual printing paper, I think. So that is called LT scale change. How to change LT scale? So it is 1. Now 1:1, that is 6 mm it appears. And I want to make it, we want to print it 100, I want to make it 100. See, here it may be very, you can't see it, but when you draw it, you can always distinguish between the distance. Okay, this is how we can change the scale. Here it is very difficult to see because you don't have the true scale. Or we can zoom it, maximally, and possibly you will be able to see. That is zoom. Okay. We'll see if I will do one thing. I will draw one more line here. Dotted line, let us say dotted line. We will draw a line. I will make it horizontal length. So I will do one thing. I will draw a longer line, let us say. Right? So 1 meter, let us see. Okay, suppose I convert this line to layer 2. Layer 2 is a dotted line. As you can see, the dots are 1 meter ahead on the dots distance can approximately say 298. Okay. Then 298. Just dots are shown. So the distance is approximately between the dots is 300. So this is 1 meter length line. So when you draw it on a scale 300 to 10, let us say 10 scale, we have to draw it to 30. So then what we have to do is LT scale of this we have to change. Okay. 10. See. So it is so many dots. So when you draw it, the distance will be equal to, see, whatever distance we measure here, that the distance will be 300 to be distance. So this is how we can use LT scale to change the dotted lines to distances or pitches. Okay. Let's draw one more. That is the line. Suppose I make it let us say so at this scale if you want to say it's 10, want to reduce to 1, it can become reduced. This is at scale. Okay. Scale if I make it, this is 1. Now if I want to reduce increase this, so it is 1 meter length from here to here. Almost 1000 mm, 1 meter. The pitch we measure it. Say 15 mm. Pitch is 50 mm between one identical point to other identical point, and when you draw it to 1/10 scale, the pitch becomes 1.5. If you want to maintain the same 15 mm pitch, what we have to do is we have to increase the LT scale. So we have to increase to 10. So this has become. So when you draw it on the scale, this will reduce to. So here now you see it is 103, but when you draw it on the scale, this 103 becomes lesser. It is 1/10 scale means it is 10.1. Or if it is 100 scale, it is 1.3 the pitches. So this is how we can make it to the LT scale changes. So scale, explode, LT scale, explode and scale we have to explain. See, let us say scale, you know that. Suppose I draw a figure. So select. You select 0, 1. Suppose we draw a figure, an object. If you want to scale, increase the scale, that is the scale, what you want to do, select the entire thing and select the base point and give the scale factor. If you want to increase double the size, you have to type 2 and become double. If you want triple the size, select any point where you want the point to be fixed. If you don't want to change the point, okay. And if you want to half size, point, half size. So like this scale can be changed. And there is one more thing here, scale. I will let you know what is it actually. See on the screen, base point it asks, then you select, then copy reference. Reference means you can say, suppose you assume this as 1, the second one, so this is 1. Second one, you want to make it 1.5. That is like scale 1.5. It is equal to 1.5 scale. Okay? So we can do by reference also. It only indicates the scale by reference. Select the object. Select a point. Reference. Suppose you call it as 0.5. Then if you want to next one, you want to make it as 2 double, it becomes it is double. If you say 3, if you say 3, it becomes 6 times. If you make it 2, it will become 4 times. 0.5, you assume as 1. Okay. And similarly, copy also, it becomes double. There is a copy command also, I think you have seen that. I will show you once again. Select a point, copy. You select this, it becomes the same thing is copied, it becomes double. So we have learned about scale explore. Explore means I will tell you what it is. I will first draw a, suppose there is assembly, complete assembly drawings, then you want to show it individual drawing. So they will be separated item. And in the plain drawing, how explore works, let us see. We actually exploded view because individual lines are there. Okay, suppose by p-edit we combine all those things. Entire thing is a single order. It is combined together. It is a polyline. It is a polyline. So this can be broken into individual lines. That is a command of explore. Type explore. Click select the object, complete object. Click it. It becomes individual lines. That is individual. It is just reverse of p-edit. Okay. I think now I have explained all these points. Distance, angle, area, radius, how we measure, no? Touch command, how we are going to use, no? LT scale, we know. Explore, I have explained you just now. Scale, how to scale the drawing, we know. P-edit and explore are opposite. Okay, now I think this is about some of the commands. I am closing this class.